I'm now going to show you two unique capabilities of the Impinj platform featuring Monza, Xarray, and Item Sense. The first is real-time inventory accuracy, and the second is real-time locationing. As we know, in retail, it used to be once a year that stores would close their doors and count inventory so they could give an accurate report to the IRS. But today, inventory accuracy is demanded by shoppers because they want to order online and have accurate inventory data to offer those products to their customers. So inventory becomes a minute-to-minute requirement for retailers. And I'm showing you now that with Xarray installed on the ceilings, we can get real-time inventory accuracy in just a matter of seconds. I can take inventory of all the connected items in my store. And with that data, I can now offer those merchandise to my online shoppers in real time, and then also do recommendations in fitting rooms and use that data to drive my business more effectively. We're also showing real-time locationing, which can transform the shopping experience. By touching this button, I can now switch into a locationing mode, and I can see where all the items are in my store. And I can look at it by style, by size, and color, because every item is tagged with a unique ID that allows you to drill in and understand what each of the SKUs represent. So if I just touch the shirts, I can see now that where my shirts are in the store. And if I look at the styles, I can look across the room and see, oh, that's the style that I'm interested in, the one with the black polka dots on the hook over there. And I can then say, hey, do they have my size? And in fact, when I touch that button, it shows that I've got, I'll look at the sizes. It shows I have small, medium, and large. And in fact, I am a medium, and so I can see that the one that I want is actually around the corner where I can't see it right now. Without this location information, I, as a shopper, might have walked over to that rack, looked through those shirts, and discovered that I don't have the size, they don't have the size that I want. But with this system, I can then identify where the item is that I want and find it immediately. I'm now going to walk over there and pick that item up and bring it back to where I am. So here's the item that I was looking for. I found it very easily, and it's definitely my style. Now I'm going to take it to, well, imagine that the location that I just came from is now the fitting room. I'm going to take it back there, and we'll talk about what happens next. So now we're imagining that we're in the fitting room, and the shopper's no longer really interested in what's on this display. They're interested in what the experience is going to be in the fitting room. However, you'll notice that this little tan dot has moved from where the item used to be to where we are now, which we're now imagining is the fitting room, so that real-time inventory and location data is available to offer a different experience for that shopper in the fitting room. For example, we could have a display in the fitting room that says, here's the items you've brought in. Maybe you would like to be interested in the following items that go with it that people like to buy with that item. Or maybe there's some different sizes and colors that we can offer. So that data is available to continue to enhance that shopping experience, but also it's available for analytics. Retailers are very interested in knowing what's happening in their fitting rooms and in other parts of their store and understanding how that relates to conversion at the point of sale. So with Monza, Xarray, and Item Sense, we've just shown you that we can deliver real-time inventory data and real-time locationing data to drive better shopping experiences for your customers.